Hi Mira, welcome to Success Musings.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Thank you, Mira. So, hi everyone. So, we have Mira over a coffee chat session. We are going to start a quick coffee session starting from today. So, Mira is completing her graduation next year from St. Joseph Institute of Technology, OMR Chennai. Hi, Mira.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, Mira. Thanks so much for joining our coffee session, Mira.
Yeah,
So,
thank you for having
as
me.
you know that we all work from home, so I'm having my home coffee these days.
Definitely. Definitely.
Yeah. So, Mira, please tell how you are managing the stress during this lockdown. I do understand students undergo through a lot of stress, right? And that too, this lockdown pandemic, it's all new for us, right?
Yeah.
So, how
Yeah.
you are managing it, Mira?
So that's a good question because that's one of the trending questions that are happening right now. So basically, my idea of a pandemic situation when I'm locked inside four walls, I think I would branch out and learn my interests. And that actually gives, I think that will relieve some of your stress because you have enough time to plan what you like and what you don't like. So you have a weigh machine and you can plan out the pros and cons. What I did in my pandemic time, that is in the ongoing crisis, is that I did a lot of online courses. I find that pretty I find that pretty interesting because I have enough time to figure out what I like because I did have some interest before the pandemic started, and now I have a different interest. So that actually gives you a lot of time to figure out what you like and what you don't like, what you're passionate about, and what you were just doing for the sake of doing. So I think when you actually like what you do, you get, I mean, I think your stress level decreases because you figure out what you want and you start working very hard for it.
I want to understand, Mira, like how you manage the stress, right? See, initial phase, I do understand that lockdown is for 30 days and it will be ending in very soon in 45 days is what we heard. But
Yeah,
now we are almost like 105th day in the lockdown,
yeah.
right? So how you manage that stress?
So that stress is, let me put it this way. I think stress comes when you have nothing planned, when you don't, when you have a very empty life, or when you say that I do not know where to go and how to go. Maybe that's where your stress starts. Because I personally know that because I started building my resume from I think April onwards, and I think I have something that I can show it to my HRs if I do get an opportunity to sit with them. But I think the real reason why people get stressed and how I coped up with it was the basic thing is you need to know what you like, and once you like something, you'll start working for it. And when you work for it, you find out various opportunities in which you can actually get indulged in. And when you figure out what you like and when you start working for it, I think your stress decreases because I think you know where it's going. Because when you don't have a plan, you tend to take all very different devious plans. So that's how people actually get very stressed out. But I think when you settle on a plan and you have plans like let's stick with plan A and let's see how it works out, I think few of your stresses are taken off, but not entirely. That's my point. I think you have to give everything a try and figure out what you like. It purely depends on one's passion, and that's how I
So
can decide on it.
a lot of people say that do meditate, then your stress
Yeah.
level will go down. So do you do meditation?
Uh, Actually, no, but there are few relieving stress busters that I find out. Like I do that by listening to a lot of music. So that's one way I can take my stress out, or do something. And I never do something when I'm in stress. Let's say anything bold decisions. I don't tend to make bold decisions or any important work. Generally, I take some time off. Let's say about half an hour. I take a recession period and then I come back to it. And then I
So
tend
to take some break in that
yeah,
time, what you do
exactly. Yes,
exactly?
I think I feel taking breaks at an interval, right intervals of time
Yeah,
will.
that during that break, what you do exactly?
So yeah, basically I listen to a lot of music, be it any language. I do that, and I go out for a walk. At least just go to the terrace,
So
freshen
now
up,
you
just
cannot
get
now
some.
you cannot go out.
I think maybe to the terrace, yeah.
Yeah.
If it's an individual house or apartment, be it, you just need to get some fresh air. Maybe just go walk up the terrace, and yeah, those are the ways where you can try to come back to yourself.
Got that. So, walking in the terrace, as you said, I like to mention one thing. So, I strongly recommend not to walk in the terrace also. Avoid it as much as possible. The reason
Yeah,
is that the virus may be there in the air molecules as well.
right, right.
Unfortunately, in India, people have a habit of spitting everywhere.
Yes,
You
that's
don't know
right.
who is
That's right.
spitting, from where they are spitting,
Yes,
so how
yes,
it's coming to you. So
right.
avoid walking in the terrace as much as
Yeah,
possible, right? So that also helps you to stay away from the virus,
yes,
not
definitely.
only locking inside the house. And,
Definitely, definitely.
yeah, if you really want to go and walk in your terrace, I strongly recommend you to do that between 4 a.m. to 5 a.m.
5 a.m. Yeah, maybe in
Yeah,
the morning. Yeah.
yeah, not in the morning, right? So that is even before that, 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. That nobody will be awake,
Exactly.
and you
Yeah.
will have a fresh air, really fresh air by that time.
Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
strongly recommend you to do that by that time.
Yes, yes, that's a good tip. Thank you. I'll add that to my list.
Yeah,
Thank you.
sure thing, Mira. Yeah, it was really nice chatting with you over a coffee, Mira, today. The discussion what we had, that will help, and looking forward to have some more coffee session with many people, and looking
Yeah.
forward to have you again too.
Yes, thank you. So, thank you for having me.
Thank you, Mira. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.